This video explains how to include newspapers, magazine, or newsletter articles without volume or issue numbers in your reference list according to APA Style 6th edition. I will show you how to reference both print and online articles, including what to do if there's no author or no page numbers given. Most journal and magazine articles will have volume and issue numbers. In that case, please watch our video, How to Reference Journal Articles. Let's get started with how to reference a print, magazine, or newsletter article without volume or issue numbers. Normally, in parentheses, you only include the year of publication. But if there's no volume or issue number, also include the month, or the season, or the day it was published. Remember, in APA style, the first letter of every word of an article title is not capitalized. But the first letter of every major word in a magazine's title is capitalized. The magazine title is also in italics. Newspaper articles are cited the same way, with the year, month, and day in parentheses. The first letter of every major word in the name of a newspaper is capitalized and in italics. The one big difference is that when you are citing a newspaper article, you use the abbreviation P. to indicate the page number. This is the only time in your APA style reference list that you ever do this. Often with newspaper, magazine, and newsletter articles, there is no author listed, or the pages are unnumbered. In that case, start with the title of the article instead of an author's name, followed by the date. If the pages aren't numbered, use the abbreviation N.PAG. to indicate no page numbers. For online sources, APA recommends providing the DOI, or Digital Object Identifier. Most online newspapers, magazines, and newsletter articles don't have a DOI number. In this case, APA recommends you provide the URL for the home page. Don't just copy and paste a direct link to the article. This is one time when a librarian will actually tell you to use Google. Google the name of the publication. It's helpful to use quotation marks around it. This is the URL you need to copy and paste. After the page numbers, type retrieved by and paste the URL of the magazine or newspaper's homepage. The URL should not be hyperlinked or underlined. It should be in the same font as the rest of the reference, with no period after it. Also, for online newspapers and magazines, you do not include any page numbers in the reference list, even if they are available. Nor do you need to use the abbreviation N.PAG. For in-text citations, check out our video Referencing Sources in APA Style, A Basic Introduction, or visit the Munn Library's webpage for our full online APA Style guide and to chat live with library staff.